They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green, black, brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round tidlet sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bend, Thomas and his friends. Thomas, he's the cheeky one.
James is game but lots of fun.
Percy
Pulls the mail on time.
Gordon
Thunders down the line.
Henry really knows his stuff. Donald
While Douglas puffs.
Edward
Oswald Douglas share.
Toby, well, let's say he's square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green, black, brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round tidlet sheds or far away.